Hello all. So let us try to unbox Oppo A15s model. This model is launched some time back. We received, like, if you see over internet, generally mobile phones we buy by reading some reviews, right? So if you see the reviews of this particular phone, everything has been confusing. So nothing has been clear. One says the phone is hanging, one says the camera has a problem. So even though there were some bad reviews, we just tried to buy this phone and see how this is going to work. So today this particular video is about unboxing Oppo A15s. So Oppo A15s is a phone around your 12,000 11,000 budget phone, so which can be afforded by many people. So this particular phone is a quad core processor based MediaTek processor based phone, which has a 64 GB of RAM and 4 GB RAM. And if you see, this has a 4350 milliampere hour battery, which is again most of the mobile phones, if you see, they have inbuilt battery, right? We cannot remove this battery. So this also comes under the same category, where you have a battery which cannot be removed. And then the other specs, definitely 6.5-inch camera, which is used these days, which is preferred these days, because most of the guys are using mobile phone for most of the applications. And then this is not Android 11 one, this is Android 10 version, so a little backward. And this supports Wi-Fi and also the Bluetooth 5.0. So there are several reviews where people told there is a problem with the battery with this, there is a problem with Bluetooth. So we will talk about the review in another video. There is just an unboxing of this. So to just give a look and feel of how the phone is. So if you see here, we are just trying to unbox this. When we remove this, we see that okay, just try to, yeah, please open it. So features wise, I don't see it's that bad phone. So Dashni, you can show the phone actually.
Okay.
So this comes with a IPS LCD. OS wise, as I mentioned, it is Android 10, and the main camera is 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and the front camera is 8 megapixel. Yeah, please open. So when you open this is how the phone looks. So I felt little heavier, but yeah, not so heavy, but felt little heavier. The first look it appeared heavier. So the back camera, as we mentioned, 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel option wide range lens, and you also have the front camera as well. And as I said, there are some negative reviews. So once we receive this, okay, so
Something falls.
you get a charger along with this, and then you also get a back cover. So the Oppo guys the showroom guys have been proposing to use quick heal along with this, and also warranty. So we have not preferred, so we got this around 11,500. So the phone looked good. At least the first view of this IPS LCD phone looked good. We just tried to stream something over Wi-Fi, and that also worked well. So while we did not test the speaker there, we will do a detailed review of this, and then we'll come back. So stay glued, stay with our channel, wait for the review of this phone. And memory wise, you have a 64 GB option, as I mentioned, and also 4 GB RAM, which is the preferred memory. So you can go for 128 GB model in this as well. There is a separate model which could be a preferred one. So we'll come with a detailed review. This is just an unboxing of this particular phone and giving a view of the features. As I said, the reviews over net are very confusing actually. The major sites also, if you see, I haven't seen a good review. We'll come up with a review soon. Please like our video if you just like this particular review unboxing, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Bye friends.